stretch of the Eastwick.
That's slow down.
Before they tear this up and reconfigure it. We'll get some footage. Took a lane out.
That's the only reason why the like it's dark the track. Far up, it's a single lane, like single.
Jesus Christ! Wow. Terrible already. Good grief. You're doing too much. Oh, there. No, you got it. You're doing too much. You gotta relax. You ain't gotta show it off that much. Damn, relax.
Oh, they about to see what they about to do. They about to do what they just did on this side last night. They about to do on this side. And then probably tomorrow night, that lane, then that.
Because from the drawings I seen, that's going to go straight through.
What?
That side.
The right of way? Wait.
The road. You didn't see the drawing I shared?
No. Right, please bring it up.
Yeah. Because there was a straight line down that side and a straight line up this side, but they narrowing the road.
Why?
They're going to narrow it on that side.
Why?
So basically, the drawing I saw, this cut across, won't happen until damn near where the road goes over the bridge.
So
down by Suffolk.
This or
like this is gonna go bye-bye from what I see.
so the whole right of way is one on this side.
That's what Soup said, but I don't know. Maybe the drawing I seen, maybe they've changed it since then. Because the drawing I saw from PENNDOT website had 2 lanes down this right-hand side, trolley line here, and then 2 lanes coming up this left side towards us. But that far side will be gone. They're gonna bring green area up to narrow the lane, to narrow the roadway. So it's only gonna be 2 lanes each direction.
It's gonna be so congested over here.
And then from what I seen, that crossover back there where it switches over to the middle won't happen up until Suffolk. So it'll swing over right before that light on the far side. Like once you pass Lindbergh.
It's gonna be so congested.
Yeah, it's like, see, basically you move the crisscross point from there to here. But maybe they changed it since then. They might have changed it since then. So I don't know. I said it might be updated proposals since then, so I don't know. But it'll be interesting to see nonetheless. But in the meantime, we're gonna get this footage of the right of way down here before the right of way and the roadway before they start tearing it apart.
This is my last stop.
It's not gonna be down this way.
On the other side.
It's on the other side.
You gotta go across the street.
So if I go in there, I can still catch the other one, right?
You would have to cross the street because I'm about to go out of service. The other one, I don't know when the other one coming out. I'm out of service once I get down there. I'd say your better is to wait across the street. At that stop right there.
And down. I'll probably have to cut that part out. Probably have to edit that part out.
Oh no, he ain't doing what I think he.
What happened?
Because he blocked me in.
Oh, so you can't leave. Oh well.
Let's pull.
Oh, he on the switch.
He on the switch.
He want to be funny. I got him.
Oh, he on the switch. Wow.
I got him. He don't move. I got his ass.
Oh, that's full. Oh, yo, wow. Go across. What is you doing? Go across. You might sit on the other side and block you from coming around.
And watch what I do. Watch what I do. He better not. He better not.
Go back there. Go back there, boy. That's the young boy that was on this side when we came down. Oh, walk across.
This is gonna be a mess, dog.
Yeah.
The bus gonna be leaning.
Yeah.
Know.
Oh man. Whew. Touched that CDL trainer right there. Whew. Man, he got it. Damn, that's tight. It's tight. He got it. It's tight.
Oh, he ain't gonna make it. He ain't gonna make it. He about to hit the
if this car moves, it'll be alright. You gotta come over a little more. You gotta bring the front over a little more.
Oh yeah, he about to move.
Yeah, the traffic is back up. Damn, that's tight.
That's crazy, bro.
I'm glad I ain't working down here for Amazon no more. This would have been a headache trying to get back to the station.
That's a lot of people. I ain't seen none of these ones.
At all. They weren't even down here when we came from.
Boy, what the hell did you think I was doing?
Maybe the drawing online is what I saw then. Oh no, never mind. No, I looked at something else. Okay, never mind.
Oh, bro, this is annoying, bro. Like,
Excuse me, I'm sorry. Can I just give you the change that I got? Thank you.
So drawing us online was a mess. There's 2 lanes down this way, 2 lanes up, and then they're gonna make the swing over down there. But they're gonna make the street narrower on that side. What the fuck? Why y'all come across and y'all not know if y'all could clear? I know y'all saw the tracks. I-68. Come on, dum-dum.
I just want them out the way before that damn light turn.
Right. Should be getting ready to drop. There you go. I edited that out.
Why is he? Oh, that's right. I feel like they redrew the lines.
sign just said fuck off. Sign said nope, not today.
That's what we crazy is. He taught me how to make the transit bar up there.
Hey yo.
Because it don't turn if you're not up there before a certain point. So, when this light turns yellow, go.
Damn it. It went down again.
You'll make it up the hill before the light comes out. Because for some reason this corner has 2 sensors, not one.
Stop request sound like that. Oh hell no. They closed? Wow.
That's the first, bro. They be open all night.
Great. Oh, that's good. Oh, there go punk ass Jordan.